into our in-depth review process. This model is one of the best rated products in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Snowshoes is proud to partner with Boa Technologies to provide an uncompromised precision fit for the hiking enthusiast. The newly updated Dynamic Fit binding provides the ultimate in winter comfort and ease of use. To start, simply place your foot in the open binding, toes through the front, heel over the tub's logo. Push the Boa dial down and turn clockwise to tighten the wires. The foam padding should be snug on your foot. Next, pull the heel strap so your foot is firmly secure in the binding. When your hike is ended, simply pull up on the Boa dial and pull the binding back open. This ease of the Boa binding will keep you on the trails longer and enjoying your winter hike.
Why we love this product? And these are rating for this product.